Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. In today's video, let's talk about hair. Ever since Luna was born, there's like a lot of things happen in my life. I witnessed like changes in my body, in my skin, and my hair as well. In the first 3 months of postpartum, I didn't see like much difference in the hair. Ever since I stopped breastfeeding in the 4th month, I started to see some hair loss and hair thinning, which was like very alarming to me. So that's why I have been looking for solutions. And as you can see, when my hair is down like this and it looks fine, but if you're taking a closer look at my scalp, you will probably see there's like a bigger gap, bigger split here where my hair parts, and you can clearly see the scalp. And also when I do a high ponytail, the both sides of the hairline and these two sides, the hairline is pushing back, and which is really frustrating. And my hair used to be like very full here at the hairline. So this time I am going to try this hair growth system from iRestore. And this is the device, and it looks like a helmet. I'm gonna unbox this one for you guys and see how this product looks like. So this device uses high quality medical grade lasers and LEDs to promote cell metabolism and energy production. This system is designed to improve receding hairline, balding, hair thinning, basically all the common patterns of hair loss. Okay, so let's move on to the products and let's see what's inside the package from iRestore. So here's the package, and this is the device, and it looks premium. I like the color. It looks like very sleek, and this is the original iRestore device, the iRestore Essential. It's an FDA cleared, safe, and clinically proven hair growth device. It looks like a helmet. This device, it uses 51 medical grade lasers and LEDs to treat the scalp. So how I use it, 25 minutes a day, 3 to 4 days per week. So that's almost like every other day. It feels very lightweight and comfortable, so I can go like hands-free when I do the treatment. In the next box, I got the anti-hair loss shampoo, conditioner, and the serum. And here's one more bottle. This is 3-in-1 hair growth formula. This is a dietary supplement. And here's a smaller box, and this is the rechargeable battery pack, and this is for the iRestore, the Essential device. And so you can go like cord free if you have this battery pack. And here is another separate bottle, and this is another dietary supplement. It's hair gummy vitamins. This is for hair, skin, and nails. So that's everything in the package from iRestore. Why I use iRestore, why I choose this brand to regrow my hair. There are like a lot of other options for hair growth, but I understand like a lot of them, they are invasive, like surgical or injectable. This system only uses lasers and LEDs together with the hair care line and the supplements. I feel like it's a complete system. It's safe and it's FDA cleared. It's clinically proven, like very effective, and I saw great reviews on a lot of websites. Most of people, they saw results in like a couple of weeks or up to like a few months. So that's why I'm like super excited. And this device itself is $695, and it's much cheaper than other options. And also I can just incorporate this device into my everyday routine, and there is no downtime, there is no risk, it's not heating the scalp, so there's like no discomfort at all. And the brand offers 12 months guarantee, so if you don't see a result, you can get your money back. So for the first impression, I think the products looked very premium, and the device is lightweight and it's high quality, and I feel like it's very easy to use. I am super excited. I can't wait to try iRestore hair growth system, and I will share my updates, share my hair growth journey with you guys, and stay with me. And thank you iRestore for sponsoring this video. I have all the product links down below in the description. You can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!